Everybody, this is Dr. G from Trusted Dental Care right here in Wiley, Texas, DFW area. Today I'm gonna make a little video about toothpaste. Last video that I did was about toothbrushes, techniques and all that. And there was a lot of follow-up questions about what's the best toothpaste to pick. In the market there are tons of toothpaste out there and that claim, oh, it can do whitening, it can do gum disease, it can remineralize enamel, blah blah blah. There's a lot of you have to navigate who's telling the truth, who's not. Okay, so we will try to simplify a couple of criteria how you pick your toothpaste. Okay, so if you're watching from the United States and the US, okay, so the key would be on the toothpaste, you gotta make sure it has ADA approval, ADA seal. ADA stands for American Dental Association, okay? And two, the toothpaste has to have fluoride. So usually about 1,000 parts per million. But the main thing that I want to emphasize is that the recommendation has to come from your doctor, your dentist. And so if I just give you a general, how to buy a paste, I'm not giving you the full picture. So the number one criteria is you go see your dentist. The dentist has to kind of give you a criteria if you're high risk or a low risk or a medium risk. Okay, who's a high risk patient, for example? A high risk patient is that someone who has a bunch of cavities in their own teeth. I recently had a patient who was young lady, college student. She has cavities almost every single tooth. So that would be, she's a high risk patient, okay? If she's a high risk patient, then what's in the market is not gonna be enough. So she would have to have a, prescription toothpaste. In this case, we do have a 5,000 parts per million, so not just your regular 1,000 parts per million, but 5,000. Okay, so the key, like I said, is that know the risk factors. Okay, if you're high risk, then you would have to have a prescription toothpaste, and that's something you work with your dentist. And if you're low risk, then you can pretty much buy any toothpaste that has ADA seal at 1,000 parts per million, and that will do the job. Okay, hopefully this will answer the question. If you have any questions, further explanation, feel free. As I make more of these videos, I try to answer the questions that come up. So just write a comment, write your comments and basically what you want it to be answered in the next video. Thank you.